So I just wanted to show you a couple of the examples that I worked on. And as it happens, I built this emoji chart, and as it happens, today is the World Emoji Day. I didn't plan this, it just happened. I woke up this morning and realized it's the World Emoji Day, so it sort of fits in really nicely with our theme. So how I came about on this one is my son, during the COVID lockdown, he was doing all his school, obviously, for schoolwork from home, and his school was giving all the work to Google Classroom. And I noticed there was a lot of conversation was happening in those classroom chat rooms, and there was a lot of emojis was involved in those conversations. So I was thinking to myself, how can I get them engaged, and how can I start a conversation in terms of getting them to think about data, getting them to ask questions, and use that chat. So what we did was I took the extract out of the chat room and created a little extension whereby I can go through and find out where emojis been used, which emojis been used the most, and that sort of thing, and make this fun little flying emoji chart for them. And that got them started asking questions. They were like, "Oh, smiley emojis been used by so many and so many times, and why are we not using this particular emojis? Is there any clear trend? Well, why are you using this emoji only in the morning and not in the afternoon?" That sort of interesting question that came out of that project, and that was really fun time. Obviously, I can't show you the application for obvious reasons. So what I did was just for this demo, I built my Qlik the Twitter app that I built for the connections this year. I've just pushed the chart on top of that to show you what it looks like. So this is essentially showing us the chart took place during the connections this year in Twitter, and those emojis being used throughout those charts. So for example, we can, hey, it actually works. We can start drilling in and see who's the ones that's been using this particular emojis, number of times they've been used, and even you can drill down to see, is there any particular trend? Is there only a particular section of the world that prefers this emoji over the rest? So that's sort of interesting thing. Good thing about this is